Why eat papaya? Eating papaya can provide numerous health benefits. It is a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and folate. It also contains enzymes that can aid in digestion and may help reduce inflammation. Additionally, studies have shown that eating papaya may help lower the risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. Overall, including papaya in your diet can be a healthy choice. What benefits papaya can give to you? Rich in nutrients. Papaya is a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and folate. Aids digestion. Papaya contains enzymes like papain and chymopapain, which can help break down proteins and ease constipation. Anti-inflammatory. The enzymes in papaya may also help reduce inflammation in the body, which can improve conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. May lower the risk of heart disease. The high levels of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in papaya may help lower the risk of heart disease. May reduce the risk of cancer. Some studies have suggested that eating papaya may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including lung and breast cancer. Good for skin and hair. Papaya is also good for skin and hair because it contains vitamins A and C, which are known to enhance the skin's texture and color. Good for pregnant women. Papaya is a good source of folic acid, which is essential for pregnant women.